All right, so this is how you do a screencast of your profile in Goodreads. You should have up in your extensions Loom for Chrome. If you don't have it, you need to go add it because this is something we'll start using again here. When you click on Loom, it looks like this lovely little blue, purple cornflower, whatever, okay? You can do screen only or you can do your screen in your face, your call, you know. You are going to start recording. You're going to make sure you do your entire screen. And I want to see what you've done now in Goodreads. So this is the easiest way for me to check this. This video shouldn't be super long. You'll click on Profile. And once it loads, and we know with Loom that every click makes it go slower. So you're recording yourself. This is your profile. You should see, maybe you'll upload your picture, maybe you won't. So in Loom, you'll be able to record your profile. So hopefully you have your friends and that sort of thing. But what I really want to see is what book are you currently reading? So in your screencast, you'll scroll. Your updated reading challenge. You can see my reading challenge from, it's like super pathetic. So my 2020 reading challenge was 50 bucks and it just didn't work. But sorry, I'm going to stop because every click, right? So I want to see, what are you currently reading and any recent updates? Did you recommend any books? Did you actually update your reading challenge? What are some books you want to read? And how is that going? Okay, so what you're doing, literally, screencast your screen of your Goodreads account so I don't have to click around and see. This video should be less than like a minute long. So just a quick screencast of your lovely, lovely Goodreads profile. After you hit the stop button in Loom, you can copy public link. You'll copy that link right into the form so that I can see your video. Thank you.